Need sheet metal designs fast? Meet BricsCAD Sheet Metal. Let's investigate the creation of a sheet metal airbox from an existing solid model. We'll import a step file. Here on the Properties panel, you can see that we start with a simple 3D solid. If we want to make this part from sheet metal, we're going to have to break it down. We'll simply slice the model in two, using one face of the thin middle plate as a guide. Then we'll repeat the procedure on the other side. Let's spread the part out a bit so that we have some room to work. 1 minute in, and we've imported, sliced and positioned the geometry for the next steps. We'll convert the first half of the airbox to sheet metal. Look at the mechanical browser. We now have a body with 5 flanges. We'll start creating junctions by selecting 4 inclined edges of the part. Okay, BricsCAD has flagged several components in red. Let's fix them. Let's zoom in on flange 4. The side face is not orthogonal to the flange. The repair takes seconds. Let's do the same repair on the other side of the part. This mismatch will be fixed automatically at bend creation time. We'll bend the entire model in one pass, with reliefs created automatically. You can switch the type of relief simply by selecting it. Okay, our model is clean and valid. Let's unfold it. Note that the unfolded representation shows all necessary bend annotations and overall dimensions. Let's move to the second part of our imported model. We'll use the sheet metal convert command again, and you'll see that all new flanges are valid from the start. We will create reliefs across the entire model with one command. Hard edge junctions are also created automatically. Select a flange and all hard edges will convert. Let's do the same for the bottom flange. And now we'll apply bends to the whole model. We'll unfold. Now we have 2 symmetrical parts and the center with the circular hole. But here's the real beauty of BricsCAD sheet metal. If we need to change the shape of the part, it's easy and robust. Edit deeply without the need to start over, ever. Perfect. This flat pattern is perfect. One part left to make. One simple body with one flange. Done in 5 minutes and ready for fabrication. Isn't it time that you tried BricsCAD sheet metal? Try BricsCAD today.